let's attempt my very first at-home sewing project. No, it's not these pair of shorts. I did not make these. We are going to mend these. So no embroidery today, but we are trying something new. This is the hole we're going to be mending today in my son's brand new, never before worn cargo shorts that apparently my dog thought looked really yummy. Now I did watch several tutorials on how to do this, the best of which was by Taylor It Yourself, so I'll try to tag her in the comments. You can go there for a tutorial. This is not a tutorial from me to you. This is you coming along for moral support, okay? So I have my shorts inside out, and then I need a piece of fabric to patch this with. Luckily for me, my son blows out the knees on every pair of pants he owns, and this pair he blew out particularly well that I couldn't even begin to try to patch them, so I just cut the legs off of them to make them into shorts. So I'm going to use a piece of this black fabric from the legs of those pants. I'm going to cut a piece of fabric of this black pants like this, so bigger than my actual hole, and to cover the other weak spot here, the smaller hole here. So I'm thinking like yay big. And I'm going to use pinking shears to do it so that this fabric doesn't fray with washing. Now I'm going to use this fusible bonding web, Stitch Witchery, and I'm going to basically put little pieces of this around the opening of where my hole is to fuse this into place. Now I'm just going to iron it on my steam setting. I don't really know what those white marks are. Okay, we'll figure that out later. That's a problem for a different day. That's a problem for a different Hannah. Now we go in the house where my sewing machine is. Now I have to remember how to thread my machine. Wind the bobbin up. Wind the bobbin up. Which hole does this go in? Okay, here goes. I probably need to plug it in. Carl, we're not doing so good. It's okay. We shall persevere. I feel like I don't remember holding it in my class. This just shows the person holding it. It says it will stop automatically. Bobbin will spin slowly. The suspense is killing me. I feel like it's just gonna fly off here. We did it. We did it, Carl. We did it. Why do I feel so much pressure? We're just gonna let go and let God. Okay. Okay, now I just gotta thread the needle, and I better be good at that. Or that's gonna be really embarrassing for me. Okay. Oh, first try. First try. I knew I was gonna be good at least one part of this. My machine is ready. I can already see I screwed up because there's like this rippling here, but we're just gonna go with it. All the tutorials I watched were slightly different on like how to go around the edge. I think we're gonna go around like where my fusible, or like where my patch is in the back, and then kind of go crisscross over top and just try to make it as secure as possible. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, more confidence. Confidence is key. Anyone who's ever sewed before is watching this like, what in the absolute heck is this lady doing? All right. Sorry, Gladys. I'm learning something new. I mean, I think it's on there. I mean, I don't think it's going anywhere. Okay, I don't know when this happened, but this isn't in here. And I feel like that's an important part. The moment of truth. We did it! These suckers are patched and they're not going anywhere. It's not the prettiest patch job, but it is a patch job nonetheless. And I'm pretty proud of myself for doing it. Don't forget, if you want to be really great at something, you got to be willing to be really bad at it first. Thanks for coming with me.